Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 10th through the 16th, and I'm using this kit from Planner One Love. It is called Rustic Rich, and I just love the colors. It seems very end of summer, so super appropriate for this time. So that's what I'm going to do. My plan is to use these two bottom washies. I think I can make them fit even with a tiny gap between them, and then put the headers today, the blank ones, and to do. Like that. And then while I'm at it, while I'm doing the like boring stuff, I'm gonna stick down these what are they called, the checklists in the bottom row. None of them actually match each other, but these two are similar and these two are similar, so I'm probably gonna try to spread those out so that they don't look weird or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna do all those things and then I will be right back. All right, there we go. I have not had this many problems with tearing, pour cutting, random scrippy scraps getting stuff, whatever, since I started, but we're gonna make do. All right, so this is where we are right now. I'm gonna add the full boxes. I have 2 extras that I'm not gonna use, and because I just don't have 10 spots. So I think I'm going to skip this one with the mountains. And I think this one with the sunset. I really like both of those, but I feel like they could fit into a lot of other kits more easily than some of these other boxes could. This one is going to go here. Actually, no, that one's not, because that one, there's like a hydration tracker that matches it. So over here, maybe I'll put this guy. Sure. And then I feel like those two go together. Maybe those two, those two. So those two, 2, 3. We'll see. Okay. I think my plan is to stick this one in the middle. So that means Thursday, assuming I can get it to come apart, which may or may not happen, because as you saw, cutting did not go very well this time. Yeah, we're gonna have to trim stuff. So I hand cut all of my stickers, and for whatever reason this week my slice tool did a terrible job. I don't know if I need to sharpen it, I don't know if I need to clean it, I don't know if it was the ruler I used, but whatever it is, it was a struggle this week. All right, going down. I kind of think I want the beachy ones next. I don't know why. I'm just gonna do it. A little trimming here. So as you might expect, like every week recently, not a lot going on, mostly just working. My work is doing a retreat on Friday so that we can just use that time to do some planning that we need to get done. So I'm gonna mark that in. So that'll be probably one of the the big things going on during the week for me. It's just preparing for that. I have this tiny sliver. I'm gonna try to just stick it back in where it belongs. There we go. Other than that, there's really nothing on the schedule. But that seems alright, I think. So, we'll see what comes up. I don't know what that's gonna be, if it's gonna be anything. But yeah. Does anyone have plans for the rest of your summer? If you do, let me know what you're doing, because I will live vicariously through you. We're staying on, staying home, staying safe, which is important. But it does mean that my planner is usually pretty poor. This day is my mother-in-law's birthday, but I don't know how I want to mark it, so maybe I'm just gonna mark that later. We'll see. Okay. So for the sidebar, I think I'm actually going to build it up so that I can see how much space I have before I put this down. I will pull this off so that I have it. If I can. I don't know exactly why she named this kit as she did, this like rustic name, but I do love the colors. It does feel very August somehow. Like I saw it several months ago and I was like, better save this for August. So that is probably the most planning ahead I've ever done for a kit, to be honest. It's not straight. Alright, I'm going to stick this hydration tracker down at the bottom. And then above that, I'm going to take this little header that says hydrate. Seems appropriate. Above this is like the daily little tracker thing. Usually we would put like schedule above it, just what it says, but I'm going to put this one that says to cook. It's going to be my meals, honestly. Some of the days we're not even going to cook, but that's okay. I know what it means, and that's what matters. These little bits are getting everywhere. Alright, and then I think I can, let's see. If I put it here, I have space for one habit tracker. Do I want to do that? Sure, I will do one habit tracker. I'm going to use this coral colored one. Rusty, whatever. Color, because I just feel like this color will be harder to fit into a future kit than the turquoise blue one. I know there's another like rust color right below it, but it doesn't match, so it's fine. I'm gonna put it this week above that one. I'm gonna stick this right here, and it's like perfect. All right, that is actually really cute. For my habit tracker, I am going to track Instagram. These are from Piper Paper Company. I'm trying to figure out which color is like the best one. I think I'm gonna use this brownish one, even though it's not exactly in the kit. Okay, that's cute. Alright. So there's that. Okay, so for the weekly planning, I'm gonna use these 4 boxes down here to mark my work, which is, as I mentioned, the main thing going on this week. I only need 4 because I will just mark the retreat for Friday rather than marking work and the retreat, because that's a little redundant because it's all day. That's all I'm doing for work. Mostly all I'm doing for work. Other stuff still has to get done, but that's not important. I don't think I need like a separate box for that. So I'm just gonna stick them down in whatever order I grab them. Trying to figure out which way is up for this one. Can't tell what it is. I'm gonna put it that way. It might be upside down, but it'll be fine. Alright, so there's that. And then on Friday, I'll use the beach one, even though not really beachy. I'm gonna put that in like so. Alright, and then going back to this part of the week on Monday, I'm going to take the other one of these circles that has like an image background. Tore it a little bit, but I think I got it under control. I'm just going to stick it in like so. I feel like I put the bridge upside down on the other one, but I think it'll look fine. Alright, that's just for my plan with me. And then on Wednesday, I think I want this one. I just want to mark that there is an episode of Forged in Fire. One of the few shows that we actually watch the day it airs. And then I mentioned there's this birthday here, but I don't yet know how I want to mark that. I need to find some sort of birthday sticker. I'm just going to stick the weekend banner down like so, and I will fill in the birthday once I figure out how I want to mark it. Oh, actually, this is perfect. I will use this blue one with a little like clinking glasses. That seems perfect. So I just trim it up to the edge. And I'm gonna put it right here. Alright. Move all the little scraps. This is where we stand before the pen. I'm pre-planning. I'm gonna fill it out with my iHowl 0.38, just like always. I'm gonna actually do it this week on camera because there's more to fill in than usual. So I will be right back. Alright, there we go. That is the finished pre-planning. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished spread. I still love the colors. I love how it turned out, perfect for the end of summer kind of time. The only thing that was not from the kit from Planner One Love was this Instagram sticker from Piper Paper Company. And I still have a ton of leftovers. So I still have all of this that I can use in future spreads. So I always do really well with leftovers with her kits. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. There wasn't anything super exciting going on this week. So anyway, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for September. Time to start planning for that. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.